Hey, online shoppers, are you getting bombarded with ads for Melirune.com, promising trendy clothes at unbelievable prices? Yeah, I see those too, and trust me, if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Let me break it down. As of early 2026, Melirune.com is ringing every alarm bell for a scam. The site claims to be an Aussie store, sometimes even naming itself after cities like Melbourne or Sydney, but your order is actually coming from China, if it comes at all. It's all part of a sneaky network of ghost stores that keep changing names to trap new shoppers. So, what really happens after you order? For a lot of people, their package never arrives, and if it does, it's often a sad surprise. Think flimsy plastic or cheap polyester, definitely not what's shown in the ads. The measurements are off, the designs mismatch, and don't even get me started on returns. Their so-called 30-day money-back guarantee, it's basically a mirage. Most customers report the company dodges refund requests or demands you ship the item back to China at your own expense. And if you complain, Melirune sometimes offers a tiny partial refund or a discount code you'll never use, instead of giving your money back. Meanwhile, they keep blasting social media with flashy ads and huge discounts to reel in the next wave of shoppers. Here's how to protect yourself. If you already bought from Melirune, contact your bank right away and file a chargeback. And before shopping at any new store, check their domain age on Whois or use the GetSafe online website check